In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text that appears when you hover over an image in Wix. This is a fantastic way to add more interactivity to your website and can enhance user engagement by providing additional context or information about the image your visitors are viewing. Let's get started. First, head over to Wix and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, select the site you'd like to edit. This brings you to the main editing area, where all the magic happens. Look for the image you want to adjust and click directly on it. This will open up options specific to that image, providing you with a blank canvas to work your magic. Now, you should notice a plus icon somewhere around the image. Go ahead and click that. You're essentially adding a new element to your site at this point. From the list of options, navigate to Containers. Within this section, you'll want to select an empty container. This container will serve as the foundation for the text overlay that will appear when you hover over the image. With the container in place, it's time to replace the default image, if there is one, with the one you want your users to see. So, make sure to click on the Change Image button and pick the image that you want to exhibit on your site. Next, it's time to focus on adding the text overlay. Select the Add button on the left side. Choose Text, and then type in what you'd like your users to see when they hover over the image. Use this opportunity to add engaging or informative content, be it a product description, a little extra information, or a creative piece of writing that entices viewers to stick around. After you've added the text, let's get into the exciting part: animations. Click on Hover and browse through the hover animations available. This will dictate how your text appears when someone hovers over the image. Choose one that fits the overall aesthetic and theme of your site. The animation should be smooth and not too distracting, yet engaging enough to capture your user's attention. Now, ensure that the text is configured as your animated element. By doing so, you finalize the interactive experience for your audience. You can adjust the timing and effect of the animation to ensure it looks just right. Finally, click on Preview to see how everything looks and to confirm that the hover effect works as expected. This is your chance to make any adjustments if something doesn't look quite right. When you're satisfied with how it turns out, go ahead and click Save or Publish to make your changes live. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a text overlay to appear when hovering over an image on your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!